Nicadeamas Tutorial 6, General Mapping. Prop static and a door. Shift D for your entity tool right here. It's also called the new objects tool. You want prop, not prop, static, and then just put it somewhere in your 3D view like there. Double click on the square to open up the properties. For a model, you just want to go to World Model, Browse. I forgot my screen is at a different size than normal. That's a much different size. Alright, this is your model browser. In the bottom you have your filter. And we're not doing L4D, so we're just looking for a light. You have several different kinds, like dynamic light effects. Yes, Rachel, I'm filming. I'm making a tutorial. Maybe you can learn some mapping. We want a nice little lamp hanging from the ceiling. That looks good enough for now. We're going to apply that. Now we have our lamp. It's best to always have a light source, like a model, if you're going to have a light entity. By the way, I'm moving them in the 3D view by pushing X to toggle on and off the... okay, careful with that button. You have to look at it strangely in order to get it to move the way you want. And I'm getting a little bit laggy, so that probably means that the video is going to be a bit laggy. Sorry for that. Try and make it quick. Okay. So we got our light. We got a light model. The skin. Some models have skins, like if you use the oil drum, you can push 1 through 7 for 7 different skins. Some prop statics have simple collision boxes, other ones don't. Use v-physics means you can make it not solid, so you throw a grenade at it and it won't bounce off, or you can make it solid. Bounding box, I think, is simplified physics. If you're going to put the light entity on the inside of the wireframe here, in some cases, the shadow mesh, which is also the collision mesh, I think, kind of depends on your model, has to be turned off, otherwise it's going to snuff out the light. Anyway, there's your light model. Up next we're doing a door. So we're going to copy our prop static, open up the properties, and we're going to make it a prop door rotating. Hit apply, and then we're going to find our world model and get a door. And it's getting laggy. Oh yes, with the filter, with the model browser, sometimes you will have to go into your 2D view and move something in order for the model browser to function again. Otherwise it acts like it froze up and you can only close it. We're going to look for a door. Doesn't really matter what, so we're going to use this one. Sometimes they have doorknobs, other times they don't. Click on it once to rotate it. It'll rotate around its center origin, as you can see. And then position it in your frame. Our frame is not exactly the correct size, but we're not going to care about that right now. So there you have a door, and there you have a light. End of tutorial. Thanks.